In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create a game pass on Roblox just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So what you need to do first, you just need to open your Roblox account like this. Go to roblox.com like this, okay? And after you finish, this will be your home page. So just click over here on create. And here you go, you will be directly in this page over here, as you can see. So what you will do next, you will scroll down. You will click over here on creation, okay? And we should be directly to this page over here, as you can see. So you have here create experience, okay? And choose which experience you want to make a game pass for, okay? So I will choose this one. I will click on this one, for example, like this. And here you go, you will be directly again to this page over here. Scroll down, you have here overview. Scroll down and go to monetization, okay? And click on paces like this. And here you go, you will be directly in this page like as you can see. So just scroll down and click on create a pace, okay? Like this. And you have the option to upload an image if you want. Then scroll down, put the name here. I'm gonna name it game paste like this. Scroll down and click, and you need to put description. I'm gonna name it game, for example, game paste again, just to show you, and click on create paste, okay? And here you go, you just created a game paste on Roblox, okay? And if you want to put this game paste for sale, you can click over here and click on this. So just click on this game paste like this, and you have this option here, sell, okay? Click on sales and select this one, item for sale, okay? Make sure to enable this one and put the price here like this. And here you go. And you should know that you will just keep 17%, as you can see, and click on save change, okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That's how we can create game pace on Roblox, and see you in my next video.